Hi everyone, so today I figured I'd just film a get ready with me. I haven't done a simple get ready with me, just myself, in quite a while. It's either been tutorials or just videos with my friends, but it's time. We need to make this happen. I also haven't done just a simple, natural, well maybe not natural, but wearable look on my Instagram in the last I saw would be about October. That's the last time I posted a look like that, at least to your guys' standards of what wearable is. Of course, most of the looks for me are wearable, but that's whatever. Also, I always do my eyebrows off of camera, you guys know this, but I went downstairs when I was done and I saw that I got a package with some goodies in it. So I wasn't planning at all to use them today. I didn't even realize I was getting these, but I figure, you know, maybe we can use some of the products and see how they work. I was sent this foundation. I'm not sure if it's my color. That should be interesting, but you know, worth a shot. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I was gonna use my MAC foundation, but we're just gonna go in with this. This is the Dream Urban Cover Foundation from Maybelline. This is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm just gonna apply it on my beauty blender. I'm kind of scared. It honestly looks like a perfect match. My face is lighter than the rest of my body because my face wash lightens it quite a bit. Wait. Okay, I don't have my contacts in and I'm trying really hard to get the mirror out of the camera because the camera always focuses on that, so I can't see far away right now. But the product is going quite a long ways. Okay, I need to look at this close up before I make any decisions. It's kind of a satin finish. It's definite, I don't want to say it's matte because there's definitely a little bit of glow there, but it's not really dewy. I feel like this would be a really good in-between foundation for a lot of my followers because they don't want to be as luminous as me, but I don't know, I think having a little bit of glow just helps. Okay, that might have been too much. It's fine. Wow, that's nice. I actually, I have to see how it wears throughout the day. That's a really big factor for me, but I like how it applied. Concealer. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I'm running so low on this. I'm running low on a lot of my makeup, but I am a little bit broke right now, so I can't run out and buy new stuff. But it's okay, because this is why we make what we have work. I almost always go in with a cream bronzer, but I'm actually not going to do that today. I don't feel like it. It's as simple as that. I always do apply my highlighter before I set my face though. I'm going to go in with my favorite, my Dior Nude Air Luminizer in the shade 002. I want to sit down with whoever designed this product on Dior's team. I want to sit down with them and personally thank them. Maybe treat them to like a coffee or something. I don't know. They probably have a lot more money than me, but okay, now I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. This is probably more of a springtime look. I know I would definitely categorize this as that, but I don't care. Then for blush, I'm gonna dip into all of these shades from MAC. I don't know. This is Peaches, this is Melba, this is Pinch Me, Modesty, and I don't remember the name of this one, but yeah. And I'm gonna place it kind of high up. And I always like to pop a little on my nose. Fun! I'm just gonna spray my face with a little bit of Fix Plus. This one is the coconut scent. It's not pee, I promise. Oh, I guess we have this too. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. How good this will be, I don't know, especially since I just went in with a bunch of dewy products and this is supposed to be matte, but I guess it's worth a shot. I'm kind of scared. I don't really like the spritzer. Okay, well, first thoughts on that. I don't like the spritzer. I don't know if that's the proper term. It's probably not. It kind of shoots out. I don't know if you guys can see. It kind of shoots out. You probably can't even tell. It's like straight and then it mists out, so you'd have to be far away. But then, I don't know, whatever. And it smells strongly of alcohol. So to me, that just seems really drying to the skin. I know it's supposed to be matte, but those are some first impressions. It's not like I really even got to use it. If any brand wants to hook me up with some eyebrow gel, just some clear eyebrow gel, that'd be great, because I'm using this one from Mary Kay that's at least 10 years old. No joke. I am going to be using a few palettes today because I am indecisive. I'm going to be using the Norvina palette, the Patrick Star Stay With Me eyeshadow quad, if I do use this one, I'm not sure, and the MAC Fashion Fanatic palette. I'll just be using shimmers out of here primarily, I'm assuming. Now I'll zoom you guys in. First, I'm dipping into this shade from the MAC quad and using that as my transition color. Ooh, I picked up a lot. Can you tell I don't know what I'm doing? And I'm kind of just, yeah, I'm using that as my transition color, and I'm kind of going to keep my eye shape. I'm more so going to emphasize my natural eye shape, so I'm going to wing it out a little bit because my eyes are very almondy. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not good at makeup. I'm going to dip into Love from the Norvina palette. I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to, I don't know, place that right over top. I love knowing what I'm doing. Kind of deciding I don't like this. I'm gonna dip into Incense. I always go to say incest. I don't like this word. I'm gonna place that lower. Still winging it out. I'm gonna pick up Passion. Yeah, I'm gonna pick a little bit of that up. I don't know. I want to deepen up my outer crease a little bit, but I don't want to pick up another palette, and I feel like everything in here is too deep or just not the correct tone. Problems. 3 palettes here and I still can't decide. I'm just gonna stamp that on there. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. I'm just running Incense and Love mixed together on the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm not going to take it all the way in because I want my eyes to be kind of open for this look. I'm going to take the shade Base and highlight my brow bone. I'm going to pick up this shade. Put that on my lid a little bit. How about that? Picking up some of Wild Child. I'm gonna put that on sort of the inner region. Now for the fun part, glitter. I'm gonna take some of Too Faced glitter glue. I'm gonna pop that over the shimmer. Some of this and maybe this, I don't know. I just love glitter. Gonna pop that in the center. I would recommend, if you're doing this, to kind of stamp it on instead of swipe to minimize fallout. Of course, I'm a hypocrite, and anytime I ever give advice, I do the opposite of it. But you don't want glitter on your face. That's what you gotta do. I just picked up a little bit of Dreamer and put that in my inner corner. I'll highlight my brow bone too, why not? I'm gonna try out this Maybelline ink liner. Oh, wait, I think this is... Okay, sick. Okay, so it's one of those ones, I'm actually really happy about this because I was doing my makeup the other day and I was just thinking about how I need one of these, but I don't want to spend the money on it because I don't know how often I'll use it. Literally so perfect. I don't get scent products all the time, but when I do, it's always... Okay, so I didn't pop it on the inner portion. I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna go over it with a little bit of dark shadow. This is something I always do. It just softens the line and I kind of like it because I don't have to worry so much about making a perfect line since I'm gonna be softening the edge anyways. And especially for a look like this. I'll show you guys. Okay, in both of the MAC palettes, there's dark shades. They're both very similar to each other. I'd say the Patrick Star palette's a little bit more blue toned. I'm gonna use, I don't know, whichever one I choose, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna stamp the shadow right over top of the liner, kind of smoking it out. Not really though. Softening the edge, using this little pencil brush to buff out the line. I'm gonna do mascara off of camera, as I always do, because it's boring. And then I might be doing lashes. We'll see. Okay, I put on mascara. I also popped on a very natural pair of lashes. I went downstairs and ate food because my stomach hurt so bad from how hungry I was. I wanted to cry. That never happens. I don't know what was going on, but yeah. As you can see, I zoomed you guys out. We're almost done with the look. We're pretty much almost done with the look. I'm just gonna pop on some gloss. This is a pinkier gloss. It doesn't really matter. This is a Tinsel Seeker lip gloss from MAC. I don't know. I think this was a part of their holiday collection, so I'm not sure if this color is still available, but I'm sure you can find something like it if it suits you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the more laid back type style because it's definitely a lot easier to edit and they always do much better. But either way, just let me know. Again, no one does this, but like and comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Elena, 2 A's at the end. Yeah.